Hey guys, Mr. Mitsubishi here. Just wanted to make a quick basically correction to the video I did on numbers part of the example for MSRP pricing. I did a little bit of mistake. I input the wrong numbers at the wrong place in our system, and it just basically generated the wrong end result for me. So what I'll do is I'll just run real quick the correct numbers with correct tax amounts and everything else. The MSRP part was correct, is the tax that was off. But I want to do the correct numbers right now, and what I'll do also, I'll link on this video screen you know, the previous video, and I'll put this video on the old video so you kind of know how to balance the numbers. So basically the MSRP of this one is 57.48, and this MSRP is for the white GTP with two-tone interior, so this is as good as it gets. Okay, sorry, the two-tone roof, and white diamond option is 900, and freight and PDI is 1900. So your total MSRP then with freight and PDI comes to 59,848. And then the tax part, so the PST is only 7%. So if this would be any other regular vehicle, gas vehicle, it would kick in on 10%. But because it's the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, government wants to incentivize people to buy them more. So that's why it's only 7% at this price bracket. And then the PST is 4,100, 89 and 36, and the GST is 5%, so GST would be 2,900 on 92 and 40 cents. And now your new total, proper total, is 67,029 and 76 cents. And now still we have two rebates, right? So the IZEV is 5,000 if you qualify. Sorry, almost everybody qualifies unless you used it, and then 2,000 is the provincial government rebate if you qualify for it. So then your total after the rebates and taxes is 60,029 and 76 cents, right? So this would be your total after taxes and deducted your government rebates, right? So, and then obviously we have plus the same, right? So plus fees that could be on top of it, plus accessories, plus dealer markups, right? So, and this is what this video is about, that nobody really likes the dealer's markups. We're not charging anything over MSRP. Again, like, you know, we processed a lot of deposits from BC, Alberta, and some from Manitoba as well. People reaching out to us, and we'll gladly facilitate all factory orders. So there we go. So this is the 57 is the before paint, freight, PDI. So this is your total MSRP. Then this is the number with the taxes right here. And this would be after dealership deducts the rebates if you qualify for both of them. So that will be how the number breaks down. This is what you need to know when you're looking for the MSRP. So some dealerships will basically add a little bit on top of, like, you know, their markup and call that an MSRP. So you can also go build and price one on Mitsubishi website and just figure it out. You know, what's the MSRP, how much you're charging, and if you're getting charged anything extra. So my apologies about the you know, the tax part not being correct in the first video. I hope this clarifies. Today we're getting few more PHEVs landing just in a few minutes, so I'll be happy to do more videos, walk around and everything else. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, because a lot more PHEV content to come.